Hello friends and assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. So today's video will be really different from the other videos which we have uploaded, because in this video I will be giving you the 5 productivity tips which programmers should be attempting if they want to become a successful programmer in future. These all productivity tips which I will be telling you, I have also used these productivity tips to become a professional programmer. Like you all know that I create many of the videos, like I've created many of the videos and that are 2 hour long, 4 hour long, 5 hour long, 6 hour long, like many of the long videos I have uploaded on my channel. And you will be thinking that how I manage my time to create these videos, like how I manage my time to enjoy making these videos and to just enjoy my free time, like how I manage these all things. I will be telling you how I do that, and people many of the ask in the comment as well, like how you manage your time and that all stuff. Like they are also saying me in really few time you have created many of the things, and just like that I will be telling you all the stuff, how I manage my time, how I save my time from wasting, and how I just get my focus on my programming work, which help me to move forward. So just now we will be starting with our first productivity tip which I will be giving to the programmers. The first productivity tips which I will be giving to the programmer is that they should make schedules. Why I'm telling you to make schedules? Because I see many of the programmers, they are working on their projects, like they are creating many of the clones project. This is a good thing, but remember you should make schedule, because this help you to divide your work. Like you don't know when you wake up on morning, like what I should start first. You think that I should make video, then sometime you think that no, I should not make video because I'm not having like too much time to make video, then you move on to the project. So this is not a good thing which you should do. I'm not saying you that you should make the schedule of whole week, yeah, whole month, not like that. Just I'm saying you that make schedule of like 2 to 3 days. You should be like writing that whole schedule in your diary or in any of the rough page, and then you can just divide your work like 2 to 3 you will do this, 3 to 4 you will do this, 4 to 5 you will do this, and 5 to 6 you will do this, and then 8 to 9 you will sleep. Like this I am telling you, you should make schedules just like that, which will help you to manage your time, which will also help you to just save your wasted time. So this was the first productivity tip, like you should make schedules. Now moving on to the second productivity tip which I will be giving to the programmer is that just make your workplace discipline. Means that just do the work on that workplace where you are having not too much like sounds or loudness. Remember to do work there. I'm not why telling you I'm that you should make your workplace good, because if your environment is not good, it is having disturbance, so it just remove your focus on your from the coding, and then it moves on to the disturbance which you are facing or which you are having in your air. So I prefer you that you should choose that workplace that should be not having any problems, like they should not be having any disturbance. Just choose the workplace which is in peace and which is totally silent, so you can focus on your work more faster. Like sometimes we have mobile in the side, and then when we are doing coding and when we are in the focus mode, we even get the notification on the mobile, and then we move on to mobile, and then we just search about the things like what notification we have gotten and that all stuff, which waste our lots of time. So I prefer you that when you're in the focus mode doing coding, building any project, so not use any mobile or that. Just aside the mobile from your side and just focus on the code. I'm not telling you that focus for whole day or whole week. I'm just saying you that focus till 25 to 30 minutes, so it will help you to just create your project more faster. And now I will be telling you with this workplace, like I've telling you that how you can make your workplace please, that you should be working work at a peace workplace. And with that I will be also telling you what is a Pomodoro technique. You can also apply this Pomodoro technique when you are just working with your peace workplace. So this is Pomodoro technique is basically a thing which helps you to save your time. Like when you are focusing on your work 25 to 30 minutes, then you can take a 5 minutes break. So it will help you to enhance your body, because I'm not preferring you that you should be working till a whole hour or 2 hour like that. I'm just saying you that make your time management like 25 to 30 minutes you will do this, and then 30 to 35 minutes you will do this, and also take 5 minutes to 10 minutes 5 to 10 minutes break, which helps you to enhance more focus on your coding. So this is the thing which I want to tell you, and this was my second productivity tip which I should be giving to the programmers and developers as well. So who are working with coding and who are creating projects, so they also should be following these productivity tips which I am giving you in this video. This will help and enhance your work more faster. Now we'll be moving on to the third productivity tip which I will be giving you, and that third productivity tip is that you should learn shortcuts. Why I'm telling you to learn shortcuts? Because I have seen many of the programmer, they have not know like what are the shortcuts in VS Code, and they don't know that what are the environments, how we can use these environments, what are the shortcuts in environments. I've seen many of them, but if you are not knowing any of the shortcuts in keyboard or in any of the environment which you are using, so it will be really difficult for you. Means that it will be not really difficult for you, but it will waste lots of your time. So remember, when you are using anything, if you are a beginner, I will be preferring you that you should not use shortcuts. You can just start from the beginning and then end till the end. But if you are an intermediate or advanced level programmer, and if you are learning programming at the professional level, so I'll be telling you that you should be learning shortcuts in every environment which you are using or in every language which you are using. So that will enhance your work and that will also save your time. So remember to learn shortcuts which will save your time. There are many shortcuts. If you don't know how we can use shortcuts, so just comment me that. I will be uploading the videos like what are the shortcuts in keyboards which we can use in programming in any language you want. I will be uploading the video, so you can comment me that. But this is really important thing which you should know, or which a professional level programmer should know if they want to do programming at a high level. So remember to learn shortcuts if you want to become a successful programmer and if you want to save your time. So this was the third productivity tip. Now moving on to the fourth productivity tip which I will be giving you is that you should using AI tool. Why I'm telling you that you should use AI tool? Because you can see just there are many of the AI tools available right now which are totally free. Like one is ChatGPT, which is really famous, you all know that, which has been in I think 2021 it has appeared on Google. So you can use that tool to create your project. But I'm not telling you that you should create your project 100% from ChatGPT, because we are human and ChatGPT is also built by human, like you know that. So I prefer you that you should be using ChatGPT to complete your 50 to like 40 to 50% work, and the remaining work you should be doing by yourself. I'm telling you that because from that it will be practice your as well, and there will be also just really difficulty for you if you are creating whole project from ChatGPT, because ChatGPT does not provide you the whole thing. Like if you are creating any clone like Amazon clone, so it will not providing you the Amazon clone codes. Like it will be providing you the codes, but it will be not telling you that where you should put this code and like that all this stuff. So because of that, I'm telling you that just you should be doing your 40 to 50% work from ChatGPT, and then some work which is left you can do it by yourself. So it will be your practice as well, and you can also learn some things here. So this is really amazing AI tools which I'm telling you that, because this helps you to save your time and it also helps you to manage your time, and like that I manage my time whole to just create this project and all that stuff. So if you also want to learn like how I manage my time more, so you can tell me in the comment section. I will be giving you all other tips. So these are the tips which I will be giving you here, which I have given you through this video. So I hope you understand these all 4 tips which I have given you. Now moving on to the 5th tips which I will be giving you as you are a developer. The 5th tip which I will be giving you is that you should be working on your spreadsheets. Why I'm telling you to working on spreadsheets? Because many of the people I've seen, they are writing the things like they will be building this project, they will be building this project till this time, like they are managing their time, but they don't know that what we have to create or what we have to create first. This is not a good thing which you want to learn. You just have to write the thing in a spreadsheet. Like you can use Excel for that, you can use Word for that, you can just use any of the software for that. So remember, when you are creating anything, so first of all you have to design that thing. After designing, you should be moving on to the coding part, because this part will help you to enhance your code. So I prefer you that you should be starting, before starting coding, you should be designing your project, and also write that thing in your spreadsheet, which will be helpful for you, and it will also understand you that how you can manage your time. So remember to do that as well. So these were the 5 productivity tips which I have followed to become a successful programmer like that, and in future I am also following these tips to become more successful, because just it is the first step which I am moving on. But I am giving you these productivity tips because it will also help you. And remember, when you are in any of the workplace, remember, just make yourself confident and make yourself focus on your work which you are creating. And also remember, like I am sitting on this chair like this, and when I'm sitting on this chair, I'm feeling so comfortable that this chair is completely fine, this is so comfortable. But if you are not feeling comfortable in any place or in any chair you are sitting, so it is really difficulty for you, because you are having a back pain from that. And if you are having a back pain, sitting 1 hour, 2 hour long. So it will also really, like, your health will be also not good from that. Your physical health will be attempting problems. So remember, you should be sitting on a workplace where you are having peace and where it is comfortable for you. So this was the some tips which I will be giving all the programmers like who are watching my videos and who want to watch my videos. So they can just follow these 5 productivity tips which they will just followed, and I hope these all productivity tips will be helpful for them in future if they are moving forward and if they want to do work. And I'm telling you that just make your place peaceful and comfortable, which is the main thing in this whole video which I've telling you. Make your place comfortable. If it is your home, if it is your office, if it is your hostel, if it is your school, if it is your college, anywhere, just make your place comfortable and just peace. Make your place at peace, silent and good. So I hope you understand these all productivity tips which I have given you here through this amazing video. So if you have understand this all things which I have telling you, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can create these amazing projects. And if you want I should upload more videos like that, so just tell me in the comment section, and in future I'll be coming up with more videos like these all stuff. So just I will be meeting you in next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials using these all amazing languages. So just for today, good bye.